last year when she had her calf, we realized that her udder went bad, and so the calf nursed it and went septic and died. So we're gonna have to take it away this year, which is really sad, but we'll bottle feed it. Guys, it's a girl. He's only produced girls so far, our bull. That means our Scottish Highland herd is growing. So we're checking her milk and it's still bad this year. Even is, there's some in it, but
Did you watch her have
it's
it?
like rotten, pretty. So we're gonna have to take baby away and bottle feed it.
That scared her.
It makes us so sad to take her away from Mama. Mama loved her so much, but
I didn't even know you were there.
we know this is the only way baby will survive, so she's drinking.
She's hungry.
She's gonna be the same color as Mom. She's doing so good. She's dried off now, and she's a lot lighter than we thought she was gonna be. She's about the same color as Mom and Dad now. Y'all, it's full, and Dad and Connor are getting the air seeder all hooked up, ready to go. Today's Saturday, Monday is Labor Day, and we're hoping to start harvesting next week. So, getting everything all ready to go. We're pretty excited. We're ready for harvest. Alrighty, you guys, so getting ready to head out for the first time for the season. It's gonna be a good one, hopefully. Everything goes smoothly. Got everything hooked up, ready to roll. Dad actually headed out a while ago. I had to go water some animals because it is still hot out here. So, anyways, then got all that done. Now we're heading out to the field. Her first dump for the year. Should we see how she does? She remember how to do it? She's not getting it. We're moisture testing the first load here. We'll see what it is.
16 into that.
I came down here earlier to give these girls some Lumix, and I fed them a little bit in the corral and they all came in. So I went ahead and caught them. We're gonna go ahead and pull the bulls out. We put the bulls in July 1st, so September 1st, we're gonna pull them out. These are our replacement heifers, and this spring we ran out of time to give them their second round of pre-breeding shots because we waited too long to get them pulled out of the lot. So I am going to give them a killed version of the vaccine so that way it doesn't affect their pregnancy. So we're going to sort the bulls out, load them up, take them home, and then we're going to run the heifers all through, give them a couple shots, and let them back out.